You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this curious word. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including from medicine, medical terms that are confusing, I've got tons of more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. Spirometry, alright? So that's how you pronounce it. It's not Spiro. Let's break it down. Spirometry. Spirometry. The stress is on the second syllable, as you've heard, the raw syllable. Spirometry. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.